Hi there! In this video I'm going to show you how to do the yarn under yarn over stitches for the head of the pocket dragon and the yarn over stitches for the body of the pocket dragon. The difference in these two stitches create a different kind of drape and feel to the fabric. The yarn under yarn over stitches are tighter, they'll be stiffer, and they'll hold in your stuffing a little better. The yarn over stitches will allow your dragon to be a little more flexible and soft. To make a yarn over double crochet, we will yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. A yarn over single crochet will be insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now the yarn over stitches are a little looser than our yarn under stitches. So let's do a yarn under stitch. We'll insert, and now the yarn is under our hook, and we'll pull up a loop, and then we'll yarn over and complete that stitch. So you can see how my yarn over single crochet is a lot looser than this yarn under single crochet. I hope you found this helpful.